There are some people out there that feel extreme anxiety and stress waiting to go to a medical appointment. And when you get there, that stress, that strain, and even anxiety will build when you're in the office or the procedure room. And a lot of things are actually happening in that office space or that waiting room. And it's usually waiting for the doctor, that anticipation alone. Sometimes you're waiting for over an hour in some cases to actually meet with the doctor. You're just in the waiting room. You haven't even gotten into the appointment yet. And this can cause a lot of avoidance for people where they want to cancel those appointments because they just can't handle the stress of sitting there waiting. Also, sitting in a waiting room can make the mind wander. You're wondering, are they going to give me a surprise needle and maybe do some blood work that I don't want to do? Are they going to send me for a CAT scan or an MRI where I'm claustrophobic and I don't want to deal with this? And even just the thought of getting maybe a diagnosis that you don't want to hear, and that anticipation just keeps building, even though you don't have the answers yet. And then there's the smell of that office. Maybe you're in a dental office, and if you've been to a dental office, you know there is that distinctive sanitation smell that you might hear the drills of somebody having a procedure done. If you're in a medical office, for example, I have personally been in a medical office waiting for my turn to see the doctor and heard people crying in another room because they might have had some bad news, and it just does build that stress level up where you don't want to actually go through with your medical procedures or appointments. And this doesn't have to be the way, because instead of having to take medication to calm yourself down or to even avoid those situations where your health now will start to decline because you are avoiding those situations, there are things that can be done. Things like hypnosis, for example, is a fantastic way to stop those terror reactions. And it changes your mind in a neurological way so that you have natural automatic responses that are very calm and keep you in control so that you could actually get through your appointments and procedures with a lot of ease.